A very good morning, students. Now, the chapter creating tables in Word 2013. We have read in this chapter the many topics we have read, and you are finding that this chapter is completely based on the graphical user interface. Here, what you are finding that is the graphical user interface means all the icons in the form of a graphic it is displaying on the screen, and with the help of the screen you are selecting according to your need and applying the commands or instructions. So this is the graphical user interface. So in this chapter you have read resizing of rows, columns, changing the rows, columns, inserting the rows, columns. So many topics we have read here. In the sequence of that one, today we are going to read here moving and resizing a table. Moving and resizing. Moving and resizing a table. So today the topic we have got here now, that is moving and resizing a table. So how we can do it? Just I have told you that with the help of the icons which are displaying on the screen in the form of graphics, you have to select only, and with the selection of the option you will apply and you will find what the output you need that will display on the screen. So here moving and resizing a table. So the first topic we will read today, to move the table. To move the table. It means we want to move the table which you have created from one place to another place. What are the steps are needed? Just I am going to tell you and easily you can understand. See the step 1. What the first step you will take? Click in a cell. Click in a cell. A plus sign. A plus sign like this. A plus sign appears at the top left corner. At the top left corner. This is the first step. Left corner. This sign is known as. This sign is. This sign is known as move handle. Move handle. This is the first step. Then you take the step 2. What the step is there? Place the mouse pointer on the table move handle. The sign is appear. So what you will do? Place the mouse pointer. Place the mouse pointer on the table move handle. On the table move handle. Move handle. This is the second step. Step 3. Step 3. Now you will start to drag. Drag the table. Drag the table drag the table to where we want, where to where we want by pressing the left mouse button. By pressing the left mouse button. This is the third step, and one more step you have to take. Step 4. Now you will release the mouse button. Release the mouse button. Release the mouse button. Table is placed at that place. Table is placed at that place. So see here, students. Now in this chapter we are going to move or resizing a table. The first topic we are getting here, that is the to move. How we can move a table from one place to another place. For this purpose, you will use the steps which I have written here, and with the help of the steps which I have written, with the help of these steps, easily you can move a table from one place to another place. Now come on here, step 1, click in a cell. Cell, already you are knowing that what is cell? Intersecting of vertical and horizontal line, they are making a box, that is known as cell. Click in a cell first of all. Then a plus sign appear. So when you will click in a cell, so you will see a plus sign will be appear on the screen. Plus sign like this one. Appear at the left corner. Clear now? This sign is known as move handle. So the plus sign which is displaying or appearing on the screen, you can say that sign is known as move handle. So you are finding the definition of the move handle. If any person is asking to you what is move handle, so you can say a plus sign appear at the left corner. This sign is known as move handle. Whenever we have click on a cell, this is the first step. Click in a cell, a plus sign appear at the left corner. This sign is known as move handle. Step first is completed now. See here the step 2. Place the mouse pointer on the table, move handle. With the help of the mouse pointer, you will start to move the mouse. So where the move handle is appearing, you will place the mouse pointer on the table, which table you want to move. On the table with the help of the move handle. This is the second step. So the 2 steps is clear now. Come on the step 3. Now you will start to drag. Drag means you are moving the mouse here and there in which direction you want to move. So that time this process is known as dragging of mouse. So step 3. Drag the table to where we want by pressing the left mouse button. So where we want to move the table, you will start to drag the mouse and the left mouse button by press, and you will click on the left hand side of the mouse button. So you will see your work that which you have decided to perform, that's completed here. Now whenever you have selected all the things, you will come here on the step 4. Release the mouse button table is placed at that place. So what you will do, just you have kept the finger on the mouse and you have started to drag it. Whenever you have started to drag it, and at that place where you want to keep this table, on that place you will release the mouse. Whenever you will release the mouse, you will find that table which you have selected, that will be placed from one place to another place. So students, these are the steps by which we can place a table from one place to another place. So this is the to move the table. These are the steps which you will follow to move it. So this is the move the table. I hope all the lines, all the steps is clear now. So after that we will start the next topic, that is to resize a table. Here this is the move the table, and the last topic you will find, that is resize the table. So see here how you can resize the table. In the resizing the table, again you have to follow some steps. So when you will follow the steps, easily you can perform your work which you want to do on your system or any place. If you want to do it, you can perform it. See here first, to resize a table. To resize a table. Now we are going to resize the table. Before this one, we have read to move the table. Now we will read resize the table. Step 1. First step, click in a cell. Click in a cell. Click in a cell. First one. Then a small square. A small square. Like this one. A small square. See here. This is a square symbol. A small square appears at the bottom. Appears at the bottom right corner of the table. Right corner of the table. Right corner of the table. And this small square is known as resize handle. This small square is known as resize handle. Resize handle. Now you will take the step 2. Step 2. Place the mouse pointer on the table. Place the mouse pointer. Place the mouse pointer on the table. So you will place the mouse pointer on the table. Move handle. Now you will take the third step. We will see a double-headed arrow. We will see a double-headed arrow. Double-headed arrow like this one. Double-headed arrow on it. Then drag the table to the desired size. Drag the table to desired, which type of size you are going to change, that is the desired size. To desired size. See here, to desired size. by pressing the left mouse button. By pressing the left mouse button. Say that step 3 is completed. Step 4. What you will do in step 4? Again you will release the mouse button. Release the mouse button, then we get the desired size. Then we get the desired size. So this is the method how you can resizing the table. See here the step 1. Click in a cell. Same process previously you have done. Click in a cell, a small square. Here the small square box will appear. Small square box will appear at the bottom right corner of the table. This small square is known as resize handle. So the word, the definition we are finding the resize handle here. The word definition. So when you have got it, resize handle. Step 2. Place the mouse pointer on the table move handle. Again, because you have to move here. So place the mouse pointer on the table move handle. Step 2. After then, we will see a double-headed arrow. Double-headed arrow, it means the arrow sign will be there in the move direction you will find. We will see a double-headed arrow on it. It will display on the screen. Drag the table to desired size. So you will select the size in which size you want to make the table. So drag the table to desired size. So when you will select the desired size by pressing the left mouse button, you will press the left mouse button for desiring size. So whenever you will step 3 complete, then step 4 release the mouse button, then we get the desired size. So whenever you have selected the sizing of that one and the 3 process you have completed up to step 1 to step 3 and these are completed. So you will, because you are keeping the finger on the mouse button, so where the size is completed, just you will release the mouse. Whenever you will release the mouse, you will find the size which you have selected according to the size of the table which you have selected. The table will display on the screen after the resizing the table. So these are the methods you have read in this chapter. Each and everything you are reading with the help of the icons, and I hope you can perform each and every work whenever you will come in computer lab and you will apply this steps. Easily you can find out. So students, today this chapter is finished. Okay students, thank you.